All right, so here's a quick video. I only showed you this chart, I think, once before, and not many YouTubers are going to show you this chart, but I'm going to go ahead and show you mine, and I'm not going to show it to you as much as I show you my P&L because, it might, it's I don't know, it's a little personal. It feels a little personal to me, but here we go. So this is my equity curve. This is all my accounts combined and all added up, and it can show you how much money I'm making from here, January 1st, really, all the way up to here. Now, generally, this chart has some numbers over here on the end, right? It kind of shows you, 10, 20, 30, whatever, all the way up. I deleted those because if I had those there, you would know exactly how much I have. But the important thing is to see that it's going up from the lower left to the upper right. All right. And you can see right here the year to date change is up. I'm up 310%. 310%. And what, only 20 people want to watch my videos? What? And I show it. And I got nothing to sell you. Anyway, so 310%. Here's the big crash right here in March. See, I think I was sitting right about a high just before it dropped, and the drop wasn't that significant. It was, I was going down. You can see I kind of made a lower low if you want to look at it like a stock chart. But then, just like everyone else, the bottom was right here, March 23rd, and you can see I was already damn near at an all-time high, and just moving on up. In this period right here between April and June, it was a little lackluster, man. I, and that's because I didn't believe the rally. I didn't put trades on really hard. But once I became a believer, in which I really never was a believer, but when I just said, fuck it, I'm going to close my eyes. All right. I'm just going to put the trades on and close my eyes. And that was around June. And you can see straight on up here. My June 29th, you can see huge dip. That dip was huge, more bigger than the dip we had in June. I mean, in May. That the dip we had in March. And I think that was my Tesla trade. And you can see how one trade can just make it like, wow. And I quickly gained it back, which is a good thing. And you can see right now, as of today, all-time high. I like this chart. It's nice and steady. It's a little wobbly. I would love it to be a straight line, but it'll never will. That's trading. And these little ridges is just a down day, up day, down day, up day, down. And for the most part, to make a chart like this, you just want to have better up days than you do down days. And your chart will go from the lower left to the upper right. And that's what trading is all about. So I want to continue this. I don't want to see any valleys. Here was a valley from Feb all the way to basically the crash in March. I didn't make any money. From Feb 24th, it's about a 2 week period. I was just like, what? And then finally got my act together. And for the most part, all of this was just not being a believer of the rally. And I'm still not, but I'm making money, I guess. So anyway, that's my equity curve. An equity curve is basically all my equity. I mean, debt and everything. I got no debt. So that's easy to put in there. Zero. Anyway, but debt and everything will be in there if I, owed 40,000 on a car, and all that stuff. 4,000 on a credit card. All that will be in there, right? But for the most part, it's just cash, okay? And that's what it's doing from the lower left to the upper right. Gains! Up 310%. And it's only August. That's the first 3 quarters. So basically, I'm averaging 100% a quarter. I might be able to end this year at 400% upside. That's incredible. And you've seen all my trades because I show the same damn stocks every day. And you've seen all the videos. You've seen everything. You've seen the losses. You've seen the gains. And that will get you 300%. What am I trying to... Oh, basically what I'm saying is I don't trade all the stocks. I'm not trading... If I was trading the Zooms and the... Oh, and the Amazons... Oh my gosh, this is what I'm saying, that millionaires could have been made and maybe was made. Most likely I know was made from the Teslas and the Zooms and whatever stock else that was going. Apple's, of course, Apple going straight up. So this was I feel conservative. Conservative, not even in the hot stocks. And I still managed to pull 310% out. And I don't know what the S&P is up this year. I don't know. But from the bottom to the top, what is it, about 40% or something like that? So, yeah, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 25. I got you beat times 7. All right, so that's it. I don't show this much, so we'll show it now. I don't know when I'm going to show it again, but here it is. To all my people, follow me on Dre Trades 2. Tell your friends about me. Like this video. I showed you my shit. You know what I want in return? Like it. Or just rate it. I don't care if you dislike it. I appreciate it if you like it, though. And I appreciate you watching until the end, because I should have said that in the beginning of the video. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. Dre Trades here. Dre Trades 2 here. Dre Trades on Instagram, Twitter, all that. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.